Hey traders, Arjun here. Rahul learned not to chase breakouts. We covered false breakouts. He knows the traps now, but he also learned something equally important. Do not skip breakouts either. Many traders get so scared of false breakouts that they never trade breakouts at all. That is the opposite mistake. The key is not avoiding breakouts. The key is how you trade them. And the answer is the breakout pullback. Rahul masters breakout pullback. The breakout pullback strategy in 5 steps. Step 1. Identify a range. Stock trading sideways between clear support and resistance for at least 2 weeks. Step 2. Wait for the breakout. Price breaks above resistance with strong volume. Big green candle. Step 3. This is the hard part. Do not buy the breakout. Let go. Watch it break out without you. Step 4. Wait for the pullback. After the breakout, price often pulls back to the broken level. Step 5. If the old resistance holds as new support, that is your buy signal. This is the highest probability breakout trade there is. Why wait for the pullback? Because it filters out false breakouts automatically. Think about it. A false breakout breaks above resistance, then comes back down through it. If you wait for the pullback and the pullback breaks back below the level you never entered, you're safe. You dodged the trap without even trying. The pullback is not just a better entry price. It is a built-in filter. Only real breakouts hold the level on the pullback. Fake ones break back below. The pullback separates the real from the fake. Bajaj Finance, trading in a range between 6,900 and 7,100 for 3 weeks. Clear support, clear resistance, tight consolidation. Then on a Tuesday, a big green candle breaks above 7,100 on twice the normal volume. Strong breakout. But Rahul does not buy. He has been burned before by chasing breakouts. He marks the level, 7,100, old resistance, and he watches. Day 1 after the breakout. Bajaj Finance at 7,180. Other traders are celebrating their quick profits. Rahul watches. Day 2, 7,150. Starting to pull back a little. Day 3, 7,110. The pullback is happening. Bajaj is drifting back towards 7,100. The broken resistance level. Rahul's heartbeat picks up. This is what he has been waiting for. The pullback to the level. Will it hold? Day 4. Bajaj Finance drops to 7,100 exactly, testing the broken resistance. And then a hammer candle forms. Long lower wick. The stock tried to go below 7,100, but buyers stepped in. Old resistance is now acting as new support. Confirmed. This is the polarity principle in action. A level that was resistance becomes support once broken. And vice versa. Bajaj just proved the flip. The breakout pullback setup is complete. Rahul's entry. Buy at 7,120 on the bounce candle after the hammer. Not at 7,100. He waits for the bounce to confirm. Stop loss at 7,070. Below the pullback low. If 7,100 fails as support, the breakout was fake and he exits with a small loss. 50 rupees risk. Bajaj Finance bounces from 7,100 and never looks back. 7,150. 7,200. 7,250. The breakout pullback is working perfectly. 7,280. Rahul exits at 7,270. Below the target of 7,300, but locking in profit. 150 rupees per share times 15 shares equals 2,250 rupees. Clean right up from the pullback level. No chasing. No stress, just patience and a plan. Let us compare 2 approaches. The chaser buys the breakout at 7,150 because it looks strong. When the pullback comes, price drops to 7,100. The chaser is now down 50 points. Panics, gets stopped out, takes a loss on a trade that actually worked. The pullback trader watches the breakout, waits, buys at 7,120 after the pullback holds. Same stock, same breakout. But the pullback trader entered lower, had a tighter stop, and rode the move with confidence. Same information, better execution. Rahul's breakout pullback rules. 1. Range must be at least 2 weeks. Short ranges produce unreliable breakouts. 2. Breakout must be on above average volume. No volume, no conviction. 3. Do not buy the breakout candle. Ever. 4. Wait for the pullback to the broken level. Be patient. 5. Old resistance must hold as new support. Look for hammer or bounce candle. 6. Stop below the pullback low. Tight and defined. 7. Target equals range height added above the breakout level. Stop chasing breakouts. Stop skipping them. Start waiting for the pullback. It is the highest probability entry in all of trading. If you understand it, it is simple. I am Arjun. Follow for more stories from Rahul's journey.